Fat burning is not about starving yourself or following quick fix diets. It's about making smart, sustainable choices that work with your body's natural metabolism. When we store excess fat, it usually comes from a combination of poor dietary habits, lack of physical activity, and inconsistent meal patterns. The good news is that your body is designed to burn fat when you provide it with the right fuel. The foundation of fat loss is a balanced approach that includes nutrient-rich meals, adequate hydration, and regular movement. Eating the right foods at the right time plays a critical role in boosting your metabolism and keeping your energy levels steady throughout the day. Breakfast, in particular, sets the tone for your entire day. A well-balanced breakfast can regulate hunger hormones, improve focus, and prevent overeating later on. Skipping breakfast or grabbing something loaded with sugar can spike your blood sugar, trigger cravings, and slow down fat loss progress. On the other hand, a breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and fiber will help you feel fuller for longer, maintain stable energy, and encourage your body to use fat as fuel. Remember, fat loss isn't just about reducing the number on the scale. It's about improving your overall health and building habits that last a lifetime. Now, let's move on to something exciting: the 5 best fat-burning breakfasts for fat loss. These options are not only delicious, but also scientifically proven to keep your metabolism active and support your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado is one of the most powerful breakfast options you can include in your fat-burning journey because it combines high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential micronutrients that work together to keep your metabolism active and your body nourished. Eggs are a fantastic source of complete protein, which means they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair tissues and build lean muscle. Muscle mass plays a critical role in fat loss because the more muscle you have, the higher your metabolic rate, which means your body naturally burns more calories, even at rest. By starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast like scrambled eggs, you give your body the fuel it needs to maintain lean mass while promoting satiety and reducing cravings for sugary snacks later in the day. Adding spinach to your eggs enhances the nutritional value significantly. Spinach is low in calories but rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals like iron, magnesium, and vitamin C. These nutrients support overall health, improve digestion, and help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. The fiber in spinach also slows down digestion, which helps keep you feeling full for a longer period of time and prevents the blood sugar spikes that often lead to fat storage. When your blood sugar is stable, your body is more likely to burn fat for energy instead of storing it. Now let's talk about avocado, the ultimate healthy fat source that perfectly complements scrambled eggs and spinach. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and play an important role in regulating hormones that control appetite and metabolism. These healthy fats also help you feel satisfied after your meal, reducing the likelihood of snacking on high-calorie, low-nutrient foods later in the day. Moreover, the fat in avocado aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from the spinach, such as vitamin K and vitamin A, which are essential for strong bones, healthy skin, and proper immune function. This combination is not only nutritious but also easy to prepare and incredibly versatile. You can cook your eggs in a small amount of olive oil or coconut oil for additional healthy fats. Season them with spices like black pepper, turmeric, or paprika for extra flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits, and serve them with fresh avocado slices on the side. You can even add a squeeze of lemon over the spinach and avocado to boost vitamin C and enhance digestion. This simple yet powerful breakfast is satisfying, keeps your energy steady, supports muscle health, and promotes fat burning throughout the day. By making this a regular part of your routine, you're taking a smart, sustainable step toward your fat loss goals without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries is an outstanding breakfast choice for fat burning because it offers a perfect balance of protein, fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, all in one delicious and easy-to-make meal. Greek yogurt is particularly beneficial for weight loss because it is packed with high-quality protein, which helps keep you feeling full for a long time, reduces hunger cravings, and supports muscle maintenance. Protein also has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates or fats, which means your body uses more energy to digest and process it, boosting your metabolism naturally. When you start your day with a protein-rich meal like Greek yogurt, you're less likely to experience mid-morning energy crashes or uncontrollable cravings that often lead to overeating later in the day. Adding chia seeds to this combination takes the nutritional profile to the next level. Chia seeds are an incredible source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are essential for fat loss and overall health. The fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and expands in your stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing the chances of snacking on unhealthy foods. This slow digestion process helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing insulin spikes that can lead to fat storage. Meanwhile, omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation in the body, support heart health, and improve hormonal balance, which is crucial when trying to lose fat effectively. Now, let's talk about the berries. Whether you choose blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these colorful fruits are low in calories yet high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals and support healthy metabolic function. Berries also provide natural sweetness without causing rapid blood sugar spikes, making them a much better alternative to processed sugary toppings. The fiber in berries further adds to the satiety effect, ensuring that you feel satisfied and energized for several hours. One of the best things about this breakfast is how quick and convenient it is to prepare. Simply take a serving of plain Greek yogurt. Avoid flavored versions that are loaded with added sugars. Add a spoonful of chia seeds, and top it with a handful of fresh berries. You can enhance the flavor by adding a drizzle of raw honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon, both of which have their own health benefits when used in moderation. This meal not only keeps your calorie intake in check, but also provides a powerhouse of nutrients that support your body's natural fat burning process. Eating Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries regularly can help improve digestion, maintain lean muscle, stabilize energy levels, and keep cravings under control. It's a satisfying, refreshing, and nutrient-packed way to start your day, and because it's easy to customize, you can never get bored of it. Making this a part of your breakfast routine is a smart choice for sustainable fat loss and overall wellness without sacrificing taste or convenience. Oatmeal with almond butter and flax seeds is a fantastic breakfast option for anyone looking to burn fat and stay full throughout the morning. This meal is not only satisfying and delicious, but also packed with complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, fiber, and plant-based nutrients that support sustainable weight loss and overall health. Oats are a slow, digesting whole grain that provides long-lasting energy while keeping blood sugar levels stable. Unlike refined carbs that cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar, leading to hunger and fat storage, oats release energy gradually, which helps you feel fuller for longer and reduces the chances of overeating later in the day. This steady energy supply also supports better focus and productivity throughout the morning, making it easier to stick to your health goals without feeling deprived. Adding almond butter to your oatmeal brings in a dose of healthy fats and plant-based protein. Almond butter is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known for promoting heart health, reducing inflammation, and aiding in fat metabolism. These healthy fats also play an important role in satiety, meaning they help you feel satisfied after your meal and prevent those mid-morning snack cravings that can derail your fat loss efforts. Almond butter also contains vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants, which support overall health and keep your body functioning optimally during your weight loss journey. The creamy texture and nutty flavor of almond butter not only make oatmeal more delicious, but also turn it into a nutrient powerhouse. Flax seeds add another layer of nutrition to this breakfast. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which are compounds with antioxidant properties. The fiber in flax seeds helps regulate digestion, promotes gut health, and slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which is key for controlling insulin levels and preventing fat storage. Just like chia seeds, flax seeds absorb liquid and expand, which further helps in keeping you full for a longer period. Omega-3s in flax seeds are essential for reducing inflammation in the body, supporting brain function and balancing hormones, all factors that contribute to effective fat loss. This combination of oatmeal, almond butter, and flax seeds creates a perfectly balanced breakfast that provides carbohydrates for energy, protein for muscle maintenance, and healthy fats for satiety and hormone regulation. You can prepare it by cooking rolled oats in water or unsweetened almond milk, then stirring in a spoonful of almond butter and sprinkling ground flax seeds on top. For extra flavor and nutrition, you can add a pinch of cinnamon or a few fresh berries, which will give you antioxidants and natural sweetness without excess calories or sugar. By starting your day with this nourishing meal, you set yourself up for steady energy, controlled hunger, and better fat burning throughout the day. It's easy to make, highly customizable, and keeps you full without weighing you down. Including oatmeal with almond butter and flax seeds in your routine is a smart, sustainable step toward achieving your fat loss goals while still enjoying a delicious, wholesome breakfast that fuels your body the right way. A protein smoothie with banana, spinach, and whey protein is one of the most convenient and effective breakfast choices for fat loss because it delivers a powerful combination of nutrients in a quick, easy to digest form that supports your metabolism and energy levels throughout the day. This smoothie is an excellent way to start your morning if you have a busy schedule but still want to prioritize your health and weight loss goals. The foundation of this smoothie is whey protein, which is one of the best sources of complete protein available. Whey protein is quickly absorbed by the body and helps in repairing and maintaining lean muscle mass, which is essential for fat burning because muscle tissue burns more calories than fat, even at rest. By fueling your body with high-quality protein early in the day, you not only increase satiety but also boost your metabolism through the thermic effect of protein, which means your body burns more energy digesting it. Adding spinach to your smoothie significantly increases its nutritional value without adding many calories. Spinach is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals like iron, magnesium, and vitamin K, all of which contribute to overall health and energy balance. The fiber content in spinach slows down digestion, helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, and promotes feelings of fullness, reducing the chances of unnecessary snacking later in the day. Including leafy greens in your diet regularly is also linked to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and better hormonal balance, all important factors for sustainable fat loss. The best part about adding spinach to your smoothie is that it blends so well you hardly taste it, making it an easy way to get more greens into your diet. Now let's talk about banana. This fruit adds natural sweetness and a creamy texture to the smoothie without relying on added sugars. Bananas are a great source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle function, and nerve signaling. They also provide quick, digesting carbohydrates that give you an energy boost, making this smoothie a perfect choice before or after a workout. The carbohydrates from banana, combined with the protein from whey, create a balanced macronutrient profile that supports recovery and keeps your metabolism active. To prepare this smoothie, simply blend a scoop of whey protein with one ripe banana, a handful of fresh spinach, and water or unsweetened almond milk. For extra creaminess and healthy fats, you can add a teaspoon of natural peanut butter or a few chia seeds. If you like your smoothie cold and refreshing, throw in some ice cubes or freeze the banana beforehand. You can also add a dash of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract for extra flavor without unnecessary calories. This protein smoothie is not only quick to make, but also incredibly versatile. You can customize it with other low-calorie, nutrient-dense ingredients like berries or flax seeds to suit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. Drinking this smoothie in the morning helps keep you full, prevents energy crashes, and supports your body's fat-burning processes throughout the day. It's the ideal breakfast for busy individuals who want something simple, delicious, and effective in their fat loss journey. Making it a regular part of your morning routine ensures you start your day feeling energized, satisfied, and ready to stay on track with your health goals. Smoked salmon on whole grain toast with cottage cheese is one of the most nutrient-dense and satisfying breakfast options you can include in a fat-burning meal plan. This combination provides an excellent balance of lean protein, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals, all of which work together to keep your metabolism active, your hunger under control, and your energy levels stable throughout the day. Smoked salmon is an outstanding source of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Protein is crucial for maintaining lean muscle mass, which is important for fat burning because muscle tissue burns more calories even at rest. Starting your day with protein helps you feel full for longer, reduces cravings, and prevents overeating later in the day. Meanwhile, omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon have powerful anti-inflammatory properties and support heart health, brain function, and hormonal balance, all of which play a role in effective weight management. Pairing smoked salmon with whole grain toast adds a healthy dose of complex carbohydrates and fiber. Unlike refined bread that spikes blood sugar and leads to energy crashes, whole grain toast digests slowly, providing a steady source of energy and helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. This is important for fat loss because when blood sugar levels are balanced, your body is less likely to store fat and more likely to use it for energy. The fiber in whole grains also supports digestive health and helps keep you full for longer, which is key to avoiding unnecessary snacking between meals. Now, adding cottage cheese to this meal enhances its protein content even further while keeping it light and creamy. Cottage cheese is a rich source of casein protein, which digests slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids that support muscle repair and fat metabolism. It is also low in fat and calories but packed with calcium, which is essential for bone health and metabolic function. The combination of smoked salmon and cottage cheese delivers a double punch of protein, helping you stay satisfied and energized for hours. This meal is not only nutritious but also incredibly flavorful and versatile. You can prepare it by toasting a slice or two of whole grain bread, spreading a layer of cottage cheese on top, and then adding slices of smoked salmon. To enhance the flavor and nutritional value, you can sprinkle some fresh herbs like dill or chives and squeeze a little lemon juice over the salmon for a refreshing taste. Adding a few slices of avocado on the side or some leafy greens as a garnish can boost the fiber and healthy fat content even more, making this breakfast a complete powerhouse for fat loss and overall health. What makes this option even better is its convenience and elegance. It looks and tastes like something from a cafe, but you can prepare it at home in just a few minutes. Eating a meal like this in the morning helps control hunger hormones, supports a healthy metabolism, and keeps you feeling satisfied without feeling heavy or sluggish. By incorporating smoked salmon on whole grain toast with cottage cheese into your routine, you're giving your body a breakfast that is both indulgent and supportive of your fat burning goals, proving that healthy eating can be simple, delicious, and effective. Burning fat and achieving your health goals doesn't have to mean extreme diets or skipping meals. It's about making smart, balanced choices that fuel your body and keep you feeling energized throughout the day. The 5 breakfast options we discussed: scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries, oatmeal with almond butter and flax seeds, a protein smoothie with banana and spinach, and smoked salmon on whole grain toast with cottage cheese, are not just delicious, they're scientifically backed to support fat loss while providing essential nutrients for overall wellness. Remember, consistency is the key. Start your mornings with meals that keep you full, control your cravings, and boost your metabolism. Pair these breakfasts with regular physical activity, proper hydration, and mindful eating, and you'll notice positive changes that last. Healthy living isn't about perfection, it's about progress and sustainable habits. Take the first step today and make your breakfast a powerful tool in your fat-burning journey.